Hi dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing fine and you must be taking good care of yourself. So, today we'll start with geography, that is Contemporary India 1, Chapter 1, India Size and Location, Session 1. So let's get started with the session. Introduction. India is one of ancient civilization in world and has moved forward, displaying remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industry and technology. Location. Mainland extends between latitude 8A degree 4 north and 37 K 6 north and longitude 68A degree 7 east and 97A degree 25 east. The tropic of Cancer, that is 23A degree to 30 degree north, divides the country almost into two equal parts. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands lie in Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea respectively. You can see the world map. So in the world map you can see yellow colored India, which is on the southern part of east and west, is covered by the sea. Size. Area 3.28 million square kilometer, that is 2.5% of the total geographical area of world. India is 7th largest country of the world. India's land boundary at 15.200 kilometer, that is coastal line of mainland including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, is 7.516.6. India contains Jungfrau Mountains in northwest. North and northeast India standard meridian is 2982 K 30 east, which passes through Mirzapur, that is in Uttar Pradesh. You can see the ranking of India through this bar graph. The source is United Nations Demographic Yearbook 2009-2010, which shows 7 largest countries of the world. The first is Russia 17.0609, Canada 9.98, USA 9.62, China 9.59, Brazil 8.51, Australia 7.69, India 3.28. The area is calculated in square kilometer. Moving ahead, we can even see the size to the map. These are the images for your reference so that you understand the explanation and the topic quite well. So India and the world. India is located in the south central part of the continent of Asia, bordering the Indian Ocean and its two arms extended in the form of Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. This maritime location of peninsular India has provided links to its neighboring regions through the sea and air routes. These routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodities since ancient time. India on international highway of trading and commerce. You can see how the trading and commerce highways are there in this map. India's neighbors. India has 29 states and 7 union territories. Sri Lanka and Maldives are the two island countries located in the Indian Ocean, which are our neighbors. Sri Lanka is separated from India by the Gulf of Myanmar and bulk stairs. Other neighbors are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, and Bangladesh. India and adjacent countries. You can see in this map that China, Pakistan, Afghanistan, these are adjacent countries to India. This is where we end with this chapter. I hope you must have understood all the topics that were covered. This is a very small chapter, so we have finished this in one session itself. As per the instruction that I give every time, read your textbook, underline the hard words, watch the video, listen to it carefully, pause and read the slides, and you will understand the chapter very well. If any query, do let me know during the live sessions. Thank you, take care, and see you in next session. The next session will be question and answer session for this very chapter. Thank you. Have a great time.